Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. If you guys are new here and if you've already been here, thanks for tuning back in. We are going to get unready together. Yes. I wanted to do a very authentic video on how I take off my makeup and end my day. I recently received some products in the mail from one of my favorite beauty brands, Baddie Glow by Jessica Walker. She is phenomenal. She creates all her products from hand. Amazing. Like, these products are so clean and good for your skin. You can actually use it on your kids. So yeah, if you have sensitive skin, if you have any kind of skin, you can use this, but especially if you have sensitive skin, because they're great ingredients. One of the first things that I always do is remove my makeup with micellar. I got this from TJ Maxx. This was $6 and it's a cucumber cleansing micellar water. I feel like they're all pretty much the same. I'm not really picky when it comes to micellar water. This product is great. It works kind of like a magnet in terms of how it grabs the makeup off of the skin. I just take a little bit of it. This is a cotton round that I got from Target. This one actually is an exfoliating one, so it has the little dots right here, and I just take a little bit of it here. There we go. And idea, you have an idea? And just remove the makeup. I'm going to take a little bit of this. So this is the Raw Honey and Orange Suckle face wash. This is the 8 ounce. This smells phenomenal. It smells incredible. It's so good. It's very gentle. Hold on, I'm gonna get some water for my face. All right. So what I've noticed is that I shake it up a little bit because it has little orange suckle in it. Shake it up a little bit. I put a little bit on my hand, and as you can see, it is not like a very thick product. It's thin, but a little bit goes such a long way. See, it's removing the makeup. If you can see, I still had makeup on my face. Yeah. Mommy's recording a video. Yeah. And it really gets into the pores. It's so nice. It's so gentle. I love to use it in the morning. I love to use it at night. It's not harsh on the skin. So if you have very sensitive skin, this works for you. It doesn't leave your skin feeling very dry. It's very hydrating as well. This is their green tea aloe vera face scrub. I'm just gonna scoop that out. Scoop a little bit of it out. And I'm just gonna rub that into my skin. I love to have really nice glowing skin, especially in the winter time. My skin is so dry in the winter, especially around my lips. So exfoliating the skin is really good because it gets rid of dead skin. With a little bit of lukewarm water, I'm just going to take it off. So the very last step now, I'm going to throw on the Carrot and Ginseng Glow in the Dark Bedtime mask. So I used this the other night and I really love it. It's very hydrating. It gives your skin a beautiful glow, but at the same time, it like tightens the skin. Your skin feels really nice and like rejuvenated and snatched. This is how this baby looks like. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot with this. And one, it's hard. I like to do it. The thing that I really enjoy about her products is that on the packaging, it says exactly how to use the product, what it's good for. think that really does come in handy for people who are new to skincare. And the very last step to my nighttime routine is I will put on a lip mask. I am gonna hop in the shower, so I usually do the lip mask after I take a shower. I'm going to use my African Black Soap Body Wash while in the shower. Thank you so much, Baddie Glow, for this amazing package. Jessica, you are amazing. I'm seeing little changes in the company, from the products to the packaging, and I love it. Keep growing. I support you 100,000%. So if you guys are interested in buying natural handmade skincare brand made by a Black woman, you gotta support Black women because we're amazing. Support Baddie Glow. They great stuff, trust me. And I'm also gonna use my loofah. Thank you so much, Jessica, and have a good night, guys.